Hello, everyone. My name is Rex Hallbison. Some of you may know me from my podcast, The Energy Advisors, Rex, the energy guy. Others, this might be our first introduction. I have a interesting situation that happens when I'm doing research for the podcast. I get to learn about all kinds of new innovative technologies. And sometimes they're interesting but out of reach because it's so new. Sometimes they're really important and impactful. And that's what I'm talking to you, the energy professional, about today. I've got one that you'll want to add to your toolkit for solutions to help residential and small business customers. It's called an energy optimizer. And the technology has been around since 2005, and it was invented to solve some problems in the oil fields. And what was happening is the large pumps that are pulling oil out of the ground 24 hours a day were having efficiency problems because of what's called harmonic distortion. That harmonic distortion was making it so the pumps were not running at their highest efficiency rating. And so we put an optimizer in front of the pump. It would cleanse that, get rid of harmonic distortion, and now the pumps would run at the efficiency rates that they were supposed to, which meant that they would consume less electricity. Typical savings on this when they were first deploying these were 30 and sometimes 40%. So you can imagine a pump that's running 24 hours a day, significant electrical savings. Technology has migrated down through different applications in industrial, commercial, and even now it's deployed very widely with some restaurant chains to help them reduce their costs. Well, thanks to some recent innovations, this is now affordable and priced appropriately and works very effectively for the residential market and small business. And how these are deployed is really simple. It's installed at the electrical panel, and it takes about a half hour to install one of these boxes, and it will then cleanse, get rid of harmonic distortion, and create savings for the customer. It's a really cool technology. If you want to take it to the next level, you can additionally put one of these in front of any appliance that is a heavy user of electricity to get rid of the harmonic distortion. So heat pumps, air AC units, pool pumps and pool heaters, etc. So if you have something that's a big energy hog, you can actually install one of these optimizers in front of that. The manufacturer guarantees a 10% savings. Sometimes it can be as high as 20%, but that's based on use case because you know how it is in renewables. You have to have that qualifying phrase, depends on use case. However, it's a great tool. One of the things that I like about it is it can save a customer money. You can use this as an entry level. Hey, not ready to do a big renewables project right now? Let's start off by saving you some money. Or, hey, maybe you're like some of those people out there, 85% of them, that have had a solar install and still have a electrical bill and have a solar payment. We can reduce, narrow, or eliminate that gap, and now you only have one bill. So it's exciting technology. It's affordable for you who are professionals that are help residences walk into and enjoy new technologies to help in the great energy transition. These are available nationwide. It requires that they are installed by a licensed and trained and approved installer. So we're looking for those folks all across the country. If you're a sales organization, we'd love to work with you. These are easily installed, but you need to make sure that you are paired with a licensed and approved authorized installer. These do qualify for ITC credits and can also qualify for certain state credits. And then it's also can be classified as a home energy improvement tax credit. So you're still 30% on these. So it's an amazingly affordable solution, great margins for those who are involved in helping the homeowners own these. And it's a great new technology. I just fell in love with it. So I decided to help get involved in getting the word out on this and get distribution. So you were contacted by an email in most cases. And so in that email, there'll be instructions on how to get in touch with this. You can also look at the technology by going to energytransitiontools.com. That's energytransitiontools.com. And there's information on that. Get in touch with this either through the email connections or on the website, and we can help you Learn more about this, get signed up if you're interested in working with this, and help save electrical costs for your customers. So until next time, we have some more interesting technologies coming real quick, helping get the word out on some of these. You can always check out the podcast, but go ahead and get in touch with us. And I'll say what I always say. Thanks and make it a great day.